Dashera is a festival celebrated in Hindu religion. It is one of the most important festivals in India. In addition, it is also one of the longest ones. People celebrated Dashera with great enthusiasm and love throughout the country. It is time for rejoicing for everyone. Dashera falls 2 or 3 weeks prior to Diwali. It falls usually around September to October. Everyone waits for this festival. It's bring great reasons to rejoice by all. The ladies prepare for their pujas while the men buy crackers and more to celebrate it heartily. Dasara is also known as Vijayadashmi in some region of India. If we set aside the regional differences, the main events of these festivals have one motto: the victory of good over evil. In other words, this festival signifies the victory of the power of good over that of the power of evil. If we look at the Hindu mythology, it said that on this day, goddess Durga removed the demon called Mahishasur from the earth. Similarly, other traditions believe that Lord Ram fought and eliminated the demon king Ravan on this very day. We see how both events have the same outcome, the outcome that is of light over dark, truth over lies, and good over evil. Therefore, we see that while people's belief may differ, they celebrate the very same essence throughout the country. People all over the India celebrate the Sahara with immense enthusiasm, pomp, and show. The different culture do not affect the celebration of the festival. The spirit and zeal remain the same throughout the festival. Furthermore, the Sahara marked Lord Ram's victory over Demon Ravan. People enact the battle that took place between them for 10 long days. The dramatic form is called Ramlila. People in North India act out the Ramlila by wearing masks and through subsequently followed the Ramayana. They make giant seas paperboard effigies of the three principal demons like Ravan, Meghnad, and Kumbhakaran. They are then filled with explosive in order to burn them. A man plays the role of Lord Ram and shoot fiery arrows at the effigies of burn it down. People usually invite a chief guest to act as Lord Ram and burn that effigy down. This event is carried out in open filled with thousands of spectators. People of all ages enjoy this fair. They witness the fireworks and rear left mesmerized by the stunning visuals. Kids wait for the most for this event and instead on their parents to take them to see the firecrackers. In conclusion, the Sahara carries a lot of importance in the Hindu religion. However, people from all religions witness the marvelous act of burning Ravan. It unites people as the audience is filled with people from all walks of life and not just the Hindu religion. Most importantly, the Sahara teaches us that good always trump evil and that lights will always conquer darkness.